Hey, good afternoon, guys. Sorry I didn't get to do a video sooner, but I already marinated the chicken, as you see, yesterday. But about to throw it on the pit boss today. I'm setting this at 300 degrees. I'm looking at cooking about maybe 45 minutes to an hour. But we'll check it every now and then to see how we're looking. I got it all marinated, prepped up, ready to go. Just gonna put this on the grill here. And then we're gonna come back and check it in about maybe 15-20 minutes. All right, guys, it's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look at it. Still looks a little moist. Stuff, I know it's not ready. So look at the temperature there. It's got 130. Yeah. Yeah, we're looking at about 165 to be ready. All right, guys, been 20 more minutes, been 40 minutes total. Just ready to flip them over. And then I'm gonna let them go for about 10 more minutes and it should be done. All right, guys, been 10 more minutes. Checking them. Yeah. Now it's done. I'm done. Yeah, they ready to come off. So we got the marinated juices still left in the bowl here. What we're gonna do is start throwing them in here. And we're gonna toss them. A little bit of that juice left, keep them juicy. We're ready to dig in. Alright, guys, got them off, got them tossed the juices again. Cut my little slice off here. Yeah, still good and moist there. Look at that. Yeah, it's real good and moist. Nice flavor. We used to say back in the day, you really want you to go slap your mama with this one. If you like this video, stay tuned for more videos. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get the notifications. See you next episode.